Yo guys, today I will tell you a very cool thing that you can hack Wi-Fi without having root on your device. First of all, let me introduce my device to you. This is Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime running on CyanogenMod 13. Yeah guys, this is a custom mod. So, let's get started. First of all, you have to download the app known as Wi-Fi Handler. This app is made by me. This is absolutely free and available on ZippyShare. I have added a link in the description below. Guys, sorry for the inconvenience. This app is not available on Play Store as I have not added this on Play Store. So what I'm going to hack is my TV's Wi-Fi, that is DirectX Bravia. I don't have the password right now. The TV generates a random password by itself, and then let's go. Start the app, add network, select the DirectX Bravia or any Wi-Fi network available around you. Select the brute force method. You have to select brute force method always. After that, if any error comes, like it will show like 0 of 2000, 4000 or something like that, more than 27, 25 or more than over limited passwords, and the estimated time if it is showing infinity, then I tell you should select Braille Dictionary along with it to avoid it. Then what we will do is, right now I will just select brute force method and then I will directly add it to queue and the process will go on. Okay, it's going on, running on. So guys, you know what this app can do? It is so powerful that it hacks every single Wi-Fi password, and moreover no security restriction. Compatibility is something like that, security is everything. Means the Wi-Fi should not be WPA, WPS or something like that. You can run this test, this hacking on any security on a Wi-Fi. So this is going on. Guys, if you face any bug or like password Wi-Fi is not opening, Wi-Fi is not showing, no visible Wi-Fi, something like that, then feel free to contact me. Please tell me the bug, I will fix it and add it in the coming updates. So it is 10 of 27, the process is going on, and you can see it is, the hacking process is still going on. When your this Wi-Fi handle connects to a Wi-Fi, it will show the Wi-Fi icon up. Your phone will connect automatically to that Wi-Fi. You will get the password, note the current password. The process will stop there where the Wi-Fi is connected. Okay, so please note the current password and you can remember it forever. So okay, it is connected, we can see it is connected. The current password is going on RSAR 5865, and we have my device connected to the Wi-Fi network. No internet connection because I haven't connected my TV to a broadband. So first of all, we will forget this. No need to forget, I am just showing you that the password is this only, RSAR 5865. Once you have connected, then you can note the password from the app and let's go zoom. See, Wi-Fi is connected. You can hack any security of Wi-Fi. Guys, I have to tell you one thing, that if you have any antivirus installed on your device, they will show you malware because this is a custom key sign up. While the app was compressing, after like when you make an app and compress it, and it needs a sign up custom key. I have signed this with the custom key, so don't take any like don't bother so much like there is a virus in your phone or something like that. It's just okay. My device is also running smooth. So you have seen how to hack any kind of Wi-Fi. You can hack any kind of Wi-Fi with this app. If you have any complaints, any bugs, any issues on your device, so please contact me. I have told you that go to the question mark and you have my number, phone number, email, etc. Guys, thanks for watching.